Hello guys! In this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Maze Machina application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. Then click on the language button. And here you can see you have 5 language options to choose from. So just click on the one that suits the best. And I am going to stick with English. But if you choose it, then it will bring you back to the main menu and your language will be set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.